Right, since it's Thanksgiving week, I don't know what day it is, but since it's Thanksgiving week in America, I thought I could show you some other ways you could cook your Thanksgiving meal. So this girl's Nathan Sadia, and she's preparing a Christmas turkey and she's cooking it with her mouth. Don't know what that entails, but let's go.
Hello, I'm Reva Godfrey, and I'm going to show you how to make my Christmas
Ah, what the fuck is that? It looks like. Is that the stuffing? It looks like cat vomit.
turkey stuffing recipe using only my mouth. I'm sure you know that no good stuffing recipe is complete without the onion, so we're going to start there.
She bit into the onion like it was an apple. She didn't even flinch.
You want to finely
Oh,
dice it. Really small pieces is key, so that it cooks quite nicely when it goes in. It's a bit
yeah,
teary.
it's a fucking onion.
I do love
Oh,
cooking.
oh my god, she's got snot dripping all over the food. Oh, fucking hell, man.
So there we go. There we've finely diced half an onion. What a lovely way to start.
No, it's not. It's a disgusting way to start.
We're now going to dice some carrot. So we're looking to go at about half a centimetre along, put it in your mouth, chop it up a bit further and get it out so we're getting nice even pieces. Moving now onto our celery, the green dream. Takes more calories to eat celery than it does that it gives you. Interestingly, I always use the right-hand side of my mouth, but you do what feels more natural to you.
You know what feels natural to me? Using a fucking knife to chop your food and not your mouth.
It's rather like having a drink, the celery bit.
Oh my god. Oh.
Now time for some aromatic herbs, and I'm going to use fresh parsley. I find flat leaf far sexier than curly, so that's what
There's
I'm going
nothing sexy about what you're doing. It's actually repulsive.
to use. So we want to de-stem the parsley, and then I'm just going to finely dice a handful.
She's just spitting. She's just spitting in the food now. She's not even trying to get it. She's just spitting it out, and there's saliva in the bowl.
As if by magic. Diced parsley.
No, it's not diced parsley. It's chewed up parsley with your spit in it.
Perfect. Next, my favourite friend, the garlic. There is nothing better than the smell of garlic for days and weeks.
Oh my god.
Be aware that the garlic is very hard to handle and it really burns your mouth, but it's incredibly good for you.
No, it's not good for you. There's a reason why it's burning. Your body is telling you, get this shit out of your mouth, bitch. It's killing you. That's why it burns.
So stay with it and your stuffing will taste the better for it.
She's just fucking spitting again.
Well, there we go. It's really hurting my tongue, but, you know. Now it's time for our bread, the meatier part of the stuffing. I normally say, if you don't know how to target your bread, go at it like a hamburger. It's a very good loaf.
This fucking
I always choose the same loaf. Perfectly spherical. No bread knives, no blades. A very safe.
God, I can't watch this. I can't. Ah, fuck.
Stuffing. It's not traditional to use a lemon, but I don't like to do things traditionally, so I'm
Yeah,
going
I mean, shit, clearly you don't like doing things traditional. You're using your mouth. Like, come on, even cave people knew how to use tools. What's your fucking excuse?
add some lemon zest and lemon juice. And for safety's sake, I am not going to use a zester.
I think a lemon zester will 100% do a better job than what you're gonna do with your teeth. 100%. That a lemon zester will zest. I don't know if that's the word. Will zest the zest from a lemon.
quite an unusual flavour. Look at these lovely zesty lines. You don't get that with a normal zester at all. And then we're just going to stick our thumb in, wind it.
She's just fingering the lemon, like, as you do. Like, she's not even using her mouth anymore. She's using her hands. What are we doing here? I thought we're cooking with our mouth.
It in. Start to get some of those lovely juices out. And now we're going to bind our stuffing with an egg or two. And I'm going to do the whisking in my mouth.
Please don't do that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that's fucking grim. That is fucking grim. Get that off my screen.
There we go. Our egg binder. As with any good recipe, we use a lot of butter in our stuffing mix. And I don't have a microwave.
Who doesn't have a microwave? A microwave is one of the most essential appliances in the kitchen. Everyone should have a microwave in the house and not do what she's about to do with this butter.
So I'm just going to warm the butter with the cozy insides of my mouth.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pause that so that you can look at how disgusting this is, and I'm not gonna look at the screen because I might throw up. So enjoy.
A little salt, some black peppercorn.
It's just spit.
There we go. All seasoned and ready to stuff our turkey.
Oh no, she's going to fist this turkey, and you know those masochists from PETA are not going to be happy with this.
I've got myself a beautiful turkey. Open up and then retrieve our beautiful stuffing.
You know, when people stuff chicken and turkeys, it still makes me feel uncomfortable that someone ripped the guts out from a chicken's asshole and put stuffing into a chicken's asshole and we still eat it. That's not weird? Or is it just me?
I can almost hear the Christmas carols now.
Oh,
just push him in. Beautiful stuffing mix. Absolutely perfect.
No, it's not perfect. It looks like someone decided to vomit in the asshole of a chicken. I mean a turkey.
And made in 100% safety.
100% safety. This shit is not 100% health and safety. You would fail that because that looks like cat vomit being stuffed into the asshole of a chicken.
And now for a final little drizzle of oil, and then our bird is ready to cook. So we're just going to massage that in, and we're just going to bring it round and in and ensure we get a very, very crispy skinned, moist inside bird.
This poor turkey gave its life, sacrificed its life to be enjoyed on the dinner table of a Christmas dinner or a Thanksgiving turkey. I mean a Thanksgiving meal. But this one has to fucking die like this. He died for nothing. I actually feel sorry for the poor turkey. Wait, that's not even properly cooked.
Then using your hands, simply carve up the bird and you're ready to serve.
You couldn't use a knife since you're not using your mouth anymore? You couldn't use a knife to cut it up? That looks undercooked.
A little blob of stuffing.
And
there we go.
That looks undercooked. The turkey looks shite. And that looks like cat vomit.
And to finish it off, a little sprig.
I mean, at least he still has the decency to garnish this piece of shit.
There we go.
That is not the way I wanted to start my day. Well, thank you for watching. I wouldn't blame you if you clicked off, but thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe. And I dearly apologize for making you suffer through this. and happy Thanksgiving. Bye.